call it spring, like everything is new.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to our channel. For today, we will have a MacBook accessory unboxing haul for you. And as you can see, I still have my MacBook on its original box. I'm really afraid I might damage it because I haven't bought the protective gears I think it needs. I bought everything from SHOPEE. It's a very popular online shopping platform here in the Philippines. I did not bring any scissors with me, so just watch me rip my packages with no poise. Let's start. The first one here is the charger protective cover. I bought this one for 259 pesos only. I bought this of course to protect the head of my charger. As you can see, I have been struggling to put it on, but once it's on, it just fits nicely. And isn't pink look so much better here? Voila! I did thought there was a free cable organizer from one of my purchases, but there was none, so I might buy it next time. So let us proceed to the next item. This is a MacBook Pro case cover. I bought this one for 869 pesos. It also comes with a dust plug and keyboard cover. I chose this animal cover because I love cats, and of course it had to be pink because it's my favorite. So for the case, I'm just snapping it into place. It's really simple, but you have to be careful so you won't damage or scratch your MacBook. I haven't bought a trackpad and screen protector because I'm afraid to place it myself. I have also heard that it may damage the screen or retina display layer, so I might not get this altogether. Now we have this pink and blue silicone keyboard cover that sits nicely on top. It's really nice to type on as well. Now we have the dust plugs to keep ports from getting dust inside. I'm sure I'll be losing this pretty soon, but let's just use it while it's still here. So we have two dust plugs for the Type-C adapter and one for the audio jack. There's also two spare dust plugs. The next one is this laptop sleeve bag, which I bought for 1,299 pesos. It comes with a matching pouch. It's so cute. And it also matches my case and keyboard protector perfectly. It's a combination of pastel colors. It is also waterproof leather, so more protection. It feels really good quality. It's so soft and luxurious. So at the front compartment, I try putting all the bulky accessories such as the charger and the adapter, which I am arranging again. There's still a lot of space, and I think this bag is worth every penny. Next item we have is the USB-C cable adapter. This one is for 999 pesos. I got one with one HDMI, one SD card slot, one hub port, one Type-C charging port, one Type-A port, and one TF card slot. I'm sure you will need this because you really can't do anything without this port. I got this in color gray. I really don't have a lot of color to choose from though. I I think it's a bit pricey, but of course, what can you do without it? Now let's place everything inside the bag. The last one is this adjustable aluminum stand. To be honest, it's a little bit flimsy, but it's still good. This will help with distributing heat. And of course, reducing the possibility of overheating. This is only for 299 pesos. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Call it spring, like everything is new.